Hey guys, my name is Freedom. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the functions of the advanced search and filter in my website, Freedom3D.art. This is a very awesome functions that can help you to filter out any types of the contents that you want. Here I have some example, the animals, 3D models in FBX file format. This is a type. Maybe sometimes you want to search this. And sometimes maybe you want to search a tutorial, for example, Blender tutorials that related to lip sync animations. So we are going to try an example, the Blender tutorials related to lip sync animations. So first you have to click the advanced search filter. It is going to lead you to a page. Then, because of it involves multiple categories, you can just ignore this single category. We just go down to the bottom here until you can see the advanced filter. Then just check the ones that you want to search is the Blender's tutorials. So the category is the tutorials. The first one, the category selections, choose tutorial. So now you already tick and select this. Next, the software is Blender. So under the app software plugin, just choose Blender. It's here, the animations app, tick Blender. Then what else? It is related to lip sync animation. Lip sync animations is a skill. So you have to scroll down until you can see the skill function workflow. The lip sync is under animating. So go to skill facial vism lip sync. It is here, or the facial mockup. We just choose this. We choose this. Tick. If this is your last tick, you can press enter buttons at the moment. Press enter, it is going to filter out. Now you can just check the URL. The category tutorial software is Blender. Skill is the facial vism lip sync. Alright, just check all of this. You can see all of these highlighted categories. Everything that filter out here are the tutorials that you want. So anything that related to the Blender and then it's related to the lip sync, just check it. This is the tutorials that you want, and some it involve other apps. This is called the pipeline, and actually it is quite easy for you to get your tutorials. This is another, the facial mockups that related to the lip sync animations. So we try another example, the human avatar in Blender format, the human 3D avatar. So at here, you can just right click the advanced search filter, open in a new tab. We try another example. How to search the human 3D avatar in Blender format. First scroll down. The category selections, what we want is the 3D model. So this is 3D model, take it. Then the app is related to Blender, the Blender's format. So the apps you take Blender. Then next, what you want is the human 3D avatar. We search for the humans. You can scroll down until you can see the 3D models, the 3D humans. So 3D human model, tick and press enter. Then it is going to filter out, and all of these are the 3D models that downloadable, and once you download it, you can direct use it in Blender. For example, this is the 3D avatar, the baby 3D avatar. Or right click, open in a new tab here. Then it is going to open. Look at the category. This is a 3D model for Blender. The file is the FBX. It is suitable for the Blender as well. It is compatible. You can just download from here. Then you can import it into the Blender. Alright, next example. The animal 3D models in FBX file formats. These ones. I just right click again, advanced search filter, open in a new tab here. Then you want the 3D model, and what else? It is FBX file, it is animal. So scroll down until you can see the file type. The file type is here, you want the FBX. Then scroll up until you can see the 3D creature animals, the animals, 3D creature animal, tick and press enter. See, it will filter out the 3D model. If here show nothing found, that means it doesn't have any of the related ones. So you can just scroll back. And for this time, let's say for other software, if you just want to have the 3D animal and you untick the FBX, then you press enter. It is going to filter up all the 3D contents that related to the animals. You can see for this one, it's the blend file, the blender. So you back, you can see the blender, it already have some of the contents. So the FBX, it doesn't have that. The blender is okay. You scroll down until you can see the file type here. The file type extensions, if you take the blend, the blender's file, where is the blender's file? You can just find it from here, the blends. So take it and press enter, filter out. Then you can see it already filter out two of these. The first one is the Freedom's Aquatic Animals pack. Then another one is the Domestic Animals 3D models. Both of these are for the blender. You can just download it. Get the Freedom Animals assets from here. You can download it. The last ones, it is something that really awesome. That's what we call the pipeline tutorials. It can be between two software. For example, the pipeline tutorials between the Unreal Engines and Character Creator 4. So we go to the advanced search and filter. We are going to filter out the tutorials that related to two software. For example, first one, of course, you need to take the category tutorials, and then for this case, it is between two software, Unreal Engine and Character Creator 4. We are going to search it from here. The Unreal Engine is a game engines somewhere here. The Unreal Engines, game engines, Unreal Engines, and then the Character Creator 4 is a character maker app. The Character Creator. So take. Now, under the category tutorials, we are going to scroll down to the skills and then take the pipeline and life hack. Take it and press enter. Alright, now you can see it already filter out. Everything are related to like CC4, the Character Creator 4 to Unreal Engines. Right, create any soldier by using the Character Creator 3 to Unreal Engines, etc. Anything that related to these two software, that is called the pipeline tutorials. And for example, the Character Creator 4 to Unreal Engines to make it become a game avatar or NPC tutorials. Alright, so you can just find it and filter out. It is really easy to filter out any of the pipeline tutorials in this feature, what we call the advanced search filter. The tutorials is here, and then the YouTube video is here. You can just right click to copy the video URL, or you can just play that here. Then you can click here to just expand it, then choose the HD or click against it. Then any of the related resources will be here. Alright, that's all. It is really easy to use the advanced search and filter to filter out any of the tutorials, any of the 3D contents, any of the 3D models that you want to search. In my history, everything made by me in 3 years, everything already categorized properly at here. You can use the advanced category search to filter out anything that you want that related to 3D. Alright, that's all.